now to finish up the install at the top, first you'll need to hold the cap in place using two screws like such. Right? Now for the top part, we have this little stopper here. Basically, this serves as a safety switch or a safety stop, sorry, if you're the lift, you're out of power, the charging station here will not serve the purpose it's supposed to, which is to stop the lift as well as charging the lift. So this will stop your lift from going too far up if you're out of power. And just tie those down.